But if you ever get in a situation where your dog is having diarrhea and their poop is all watery and whatnot because of something that they ate, or let's say you started feeding them a different food or whatever the case is, easy fix. Go ahead and get a can of pure pumpkin. And every time they eat, go ahead and get you a couple tablespoons of that, put that in their food, do that for like their next 2 to 3 meals. Promise you, they'll be fine. Just press the follow button. That's all you gotta do.
Rick, and that is on the beat.